Today we're going to go through and how to use the solver function on Excel. So we're going to go through in the solver add-in, the GoalSeek, and using VBA. So just for the VBA, you're going to need this developer tab in your settings as well, and the add-in for the solver. So firstly of all, I've got a formula which has an input cell, and I've got a goal that I want to achieve. So go into the data tab, you can go to what if GoalSeek, and then we can sort the cell to the value that we want, which is 11, by changing the variable input, and you can see that it's able to solve that for you. Likewise, if you go to the solver tab, we can make this cell equal to a value of 20 by changing this cell, and if you hit solve, it's also able to do that for you. But the issue with that is that you've got to write out your goal every single time. You can only do one cell at a time. So instead, what we can do is go to the developer tab and Visual Basic. We can just open a macro here, so solver. And then what we're able to do is we're able to set a value. So for dim, and you can just make this value anything you want. I'm just going to use j as integer, and you want to make it an integer. And then for j equal to, and you want your value of your rows. So mine's going to be 4 to 11, but it's just however many you want. I only need to solve 8. And then you just want to add in this line of text here. So all this is saying is that for j and f, so f is my output, I want to GoalSeek it equal to c, which is my input, and that's by changing the value of e. Sorry, that's my input, and I want to GoalSeek it to my goal. And then these are just coordinates, so row and column. And then you just need to go and put next j, and then that'll just run through for you. So if we hit solve here, this macro will now work. So if we go to the macros and we run this, it will be able to solve to every single value that we need. So that's everything gone through. Just as one added extra, if I'm going to go into sign mode, what you can do for ease is you can just insert a command button here, and you can just say call sheet1 dot solver and save that. Likewise, if we go out, then if we change any of these cells, so let's make that equal to 50, 1, 9, 77. And then if we hit this, it's auto going to solve everything for us. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye.